Do you own a company and need to get sales via Facebook? I know you are because you came to my site and read a blog post about Facebook marketing. Well, guess what? I created a video course called Do It Yourself Facebook Ads Marketing. Hi, my name is Francisco. I own a Facebook advertising company called Planet Marketing. When it comes to marketing on Facebook, I'm specifically talking about using sponsored posts to get your ads in front of the right target audience. I'm not talking about doing boosted posts, which is almost always a waste of money. My Facebook video course is designed to make sales for your company. In fact, Planet Marketing's slogan is advertise today and get sales tomorrow. It's not brand today and get sales in 6 months. Watch how I make my clients money through Facebook advertising. My do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course is great for service-based businesses, retail shops with storefronts, and e-commerce sites. In this course, I'll be educating you on what types of campaign objectives you should use in your industry, defining your target audiences, and creating ads. I'll also be talking about landing page builders, how to install the Facebook pixel into your landing pages, remarketing, creating custom audiences and integrations so your leads can go into your CRM. I am confident that my do-it-yourself Facebook ads marketing course will generate sales for you. I even have a 100% money back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. Stop being a slave to your company. Your company should be working for you, not you always working in your company. You need to learn Facebook advertising from someone like me who has a bunch of clients already and practices Facebook advertising on a daily basis. Click the enroll button below to see the curriculum. Take action, enroll today, grow your company so there's more money in your personal bank account.